when you are Christian, you've just decided on a viewpoint, right? I believe that it was created by someone intentionally, and I believe that person has a name. And then to me, the rest of it is, okay, so given those truths, given those facts, that if you believe that, then you believe our time here is very short in light of eternity. You believe that the Bible is the word of the person who created everything. Then a lot of it to me is just trying to live my life in a logical way, not maximizing my earnings potential over what will really turn out to be a rounding error of time, when I know that the treasure built here will not even last, would be very illogical, right? And so I guess that's just one sort of nuance I want to draw when it comes to like acting out of faith, and to me it's really just understanding what facts you believe in, and then just trying to be logical about those things. I think my goal here is just to be authentic to who I believe I was made to be. If you believe that, we are the reflection of Christ, then you're just trying to be yourself in some visible way, but it doesn't have like an ulterior motive. It's not calculated. When I think about what I'm trying to do at Fivestars, I'm trying to create an environment where people can be authentic to who they are, however they were made to be, and that will, and I also believe that the richness comes from a community of people from very different, worldviews, backgrounds, and the more you can bring that together into a melting pot, the more I believe that people will experience truth, and the more they'll experience meaning.